Hey guys, it's day 2 of St. Patrick's Week, and today I've got this delicious Irish dish ready to go, ready to teach you. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this super simple shepherd's pie. It costs very little to make, and it's way easier than you might think. So I'm just going to jump right into it. Here's what you need. You're going to start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees. Then you're going to dice your onion until you have about 1 cup. I like to save the other half for other recipes. Next, you're going to heat a large drizzle of olive oil into a pan and add your onions. Sauté until your onions are translucent. Then add your beef. You're going to cook until slightly browned. Then add your parsley, rosemary, thyme, salt, and pepper. Cook until almost fully browned. Next, you're going to add your garlic and your Worcestershire sauce. Then you're going to stir and cook a bit more. Then add your tomato paste and your flour and stir until there's no more clumps. Next, you're going to add in your beef broth. You're going to stir on high until some of the juices thicken, and then you're going to add your corn, peas, and carrots. Reduce your heat to low and let it simmer. While it's simmering, you're going to make your mashed potatoes. I'm going to say now I'm super ashamed. I completely forgot the potatoes on my grocery list, so I had to use instant potatoes on this one. In my opinion, real mashed potatoes are better, but you can definitely get away with instant mashed potatoes for a dish like this. Next, in a 9x9 inch baking pan, you're going to add in your meat mixture and make sure it's packed in pretty tight. Then you're going to top it with your potatoes and spread it evenly. This recipe calls for a Parmesan layer on top, but I will say that most shepherd's pies do not have cheese on top. This is entirely optional. Now bake for 25 to 30 minutes. And just like that, you have one of the simplest Irish recipes that you can make on St. Patrick's Day with your friends and family. If you try out this recipe, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. This entire week is going to be filled with Irish dishes. See you again next time!